ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯁꯔꯕꯟ ꯏꯝꯄꯦꯛ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯇꯔꯥꯝ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯋꯤꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯏꯟ environmental conservation haibsidane madudi nupisingi role achouba ma adum leyedi haiba aduga mase khangna natraga khangdana karium kanda nupising se achouba role di loba aduga lowriba nupising swaida environmental conservation se lowriba role se taseng na moine lowriba role do masak khangbiraga mafam sabam da ngasai gi makoi singse participation to holakanda taseng nupising na lowhum jopo role na kari lowri aduga makoi na lowriba role se environmental ngakna thambada kaya maru oge se isam naraga di khang da bagi wafam duni tawdo lai khwa hai btai ngasi se digi hawraga da hayeng bahubada maroina seminar 2-day seminar ni 2-day seminars highlighting women's participation in environmental activism hai bita seminar mangsi dagi hawraga pangthokpani manipur university da hawgre ngasi dagi hayeng su pangthokani pangthoiba numinini gi seminar sigi akoina masigi mating basi khudong chawa lojara kanda ngasi impact tv gi topic ta akoina manhunda pusanjari base ngasai gi women's role in environmental conservation sigi kainoni donena masida saruk yabige da hai tai ngasi gi guest singseloni special guest ngaktani aduga maroina women's ngaktani women's guest ngaktani aduga guest sing say yengbiri basingdai amtang introduce tawjagi hana on my extreme right is Banu Haralu, conservationist ni. First of all, just welcome to Impact TV, Manuhunda, and thank you for joining. Thank you for sparing your valuable time, Banu Haralu. And next to, on left to this Banu Haralu is the Hanjabam Subra Devi proprietor. Maya Pusni, Iche Subra Busu Taram Noksari, Aduga Subragi, Iche Subragi Oida, Agin Hegeta, Paminajari Basi, Mina Longzam, filmmaker ni, Dr. Mina Longzam, filmmaker, a Mina Busu Taram Noksari. So, Ihan Hanbasi, first of all, let me begin with Banu Haralu. Banu Haralu being part of this 2-day seminar on highlighting women's participation in environmental activism, how you feel, and did you find any of the interesting women who could a very important role in maintaining the environmental conservation in Manipur?
Yeah, I think this is seminar is an important seminar, and it is also a response to the times. I feel that today, you know, there's so much talk about women in the forefront of conservation. It's a natural response to the whole world process that's taking place. It's a natural response to the crisis on the planet, because I look at the planet as a mother. It's a planet that gives life. There is no other planet on this universe which sustains life. Earth sustains life. And as women, we are mothers. We know what it means to give life. And I think, you know, the whole response in the world that we see, and where women are coming forth, and where even the politicians or the politics of this world cannot ignore the voices of women anymore. So we are seeing a natural process come through where more and more women will come forth, will join this movement, and will respond to the need of this planet, to the response to changing climate changes that we need to respond to. Because as women, as mothers, when a baby cries, it's always the mother who responds first. And I think these two things that are happening run parallel. It's philosophical, but again, it is a very, when you talk about conservation, it is a life-related issue. So, you know.
Thank you. Yeah, when we talk about the nature, we always call it Mother Nature. So naturally, women do have a very close connection with this environment and also. Ise Subra da laksaning basa maroina ngasigi maroina Manipura ngasigi seminar se mayam pangthokre seminar workshop sing yam pangthokre atopa issue sing da atopa matter sing da Manipura in khanbada I think masin ihan hanbo oram dong wale ngasai highlighting women's participation in environmental activism gi seminar numinini gi oibe se pangthokpo se kamain khanbi swai da ise maroina nupi sing hoji haibiruduni nupi women to have a very important key role while ngasai gi environmental conservation da ado swai da role se masina nupi sing gi role lobu da hengat ne khanbibra ngasigi 2-day gi seminars na maram orakanda natraga na khangam da sing su khare ne khangan ne khanbibra kamai lobu ge se
Hoji Banu nasi am pazana hai kiba by nature nupi habasidi preservation conservation aduga ngasai gi sustainability da tum concern to like bani aduna magi by nature mo da ngasai preservation ama tongninga ga leibani na environment ki preservation da magi am chawba rules adu mak leini yumda hairagasu pot ama mangdana bohona bai se matum honar ga lei heba macha kanna bohona base mamana dum tawraga lei heba admai tawdana aigi mother nature to mang vere haibada nupina thawdang loningoi haibasidi hani sugya yaro adum lawdo le
ma thok ta bai wan
ma hawdok pi ma thok ta adana even aina tawriba thabak tu dasu directly aina environment conservation tawri ne haiba natragasu back of my mind aina tawri se environment related activity ne aina adum lawjaba aina ngas tawrami for example ai Myra Foods तौरीबसे Myra Foods तौरीबसे कोई मणिपुर दा फंगबा naturally grown fruits मैम दो preserve तौबा मतम से दा अदु दा हौरम बा nature ना by nature हौजर नंबर उ सिंगै preserve तौरी दे कक्था लरोय दो बने बा हाई दुना माही दुना काना बदु पी द्रग सोइन कक्था किदोर बा उ मैम दो अइना preserve तौबा हौबदगी अदुना पैसा थोपगी लंबी मैम उरकपदगी मैम से दुम preserve तौबा हौरबने that way women has that instinct that we have to preserve it adugi potune la isa handaki laiba seminars na soidana sigumba wakal non se mayam da sandokra kanda aikoina tawriba activity we are already doing it kitanga kano karhata intensive oiba ma changi kharaga hena kanjan ma changi haibagi wakaktane tawraga dum leira
thank you Dr. Minal ngum aina maruina Dr. Minal laksaning base ngasai ki women's ki knowingly or unknowingly, women do play a very important role in conservation of this environmental sea. Yabining brasine, mendi ako hindi kanba nupi sing se maro nupi awang mo thakta thanga charakanda. Aina tawri thabok sina nature maro na environmental say taseng kanjab tawdabra haibagi potu di taseng budi urum busay urum dubsuya. Ado ay dunay na knowingly or unknowingly hay say. But they do play a very important role while conserving the environmental. Yabining brasine.
Definitely, we are joining high direct. Habari, quickly, from the Pamilibako, the Banaharulu, and also H. Subra, they have added, quite on talking about like our environment and about our mother nature very beautifully. I also, second to that, agree on that. But I feel that by nature, the woman as a mother, they're always always concerned about their children, about the environment. Sidi dum leirega. Although this workshop, this 2-day seminar, which is done by Heinrich Böll Stiftung in collaboration with Juban Books, like feminist ecologists and as Mina Pangtho is like especially focusing on Northeast women is something really new and something really unique steps to come forward. I, as a filmmaker, I would say that for the past 5-6 years, I have been focusing on women-related stories, especially either it's women stories or more on social or also on environment. The recent work, aina tawjabasi Achobi in Love ana smaina kairakta leiba haitare ima amagi
ngasi ki 2-day seminar ihan han session the screen dog gives utkibase
ai film Achobi in Love sine which is a 30-minute film, and this is done in collaboration by CPSBT na cannot support or namgi film ni like it took me around 2 years to sigi films a complete when around chahi ani muk change ado sigi film se smaina Achobi ko ba huidrom Achobi ko ba smaina character leiba ima ama ko who is like obsessive, very obsessive with hoigi pony se, hoigi polo se, hoigi Manipur ki sagol se. Kannada bagi damak tamana changjala meba, hoi na khangdana lera meba. Like so many people have not heard about her, until maybe I told this story. So I was, I was quite astonished when I approached her, and when I thought I shigi Achobi ki matang ima Achobi ki matang the film amanam gen and khanba matam da yam ngak na to ekai the Achobi haiban fi sagol je kyam nushige hai matam da even sagol ki kuthi semaga thamba ahan neba adu minus shigi matam sida hore hujik matam sida like when people are so much into red racing for capitalism, materialism, there is a woman in Kairak for Infal the yam la personate. She said Nupi when a sagon loon to was one and hour later me say I think and she's that's why she's a woman god the Nupi the way to miss my not later na Hadar sagon je much out no man's kuthi bo shemaga thamaga later na sagon gi shiba the solar house laga. However, that kind of attachment she has, humanly touch with the ponies. Although from since Nupi Singh said, yes,
pony si maroina polo sanabda pony sinaba Manipur gi pony hariba saigi bridge sinaba aduga polo sanaba khaktana pony ki value khangba dong torombani adubu pony si sakon sung tok thobo nataba aduga maroina hoi polo sanaba su nataba sanaba yengambadi ai aduga ngasai ki imba aduna ngasai ki mana sagon da ningjawa sagon du pamujaba amorom dhardi hujikse pony se manipur ki muthiba yana leire haibagi phimam bani world budi ekoina manipur na polo oiba game se we introduced the game polo to the world haiba aduga pony du manghip taragadi ekoina madu prithvi da pi haidanu su madugi claim du sam sam nare kanda mapung phaba claim mo rodurni aduga pony se popularize oinra bhona bada ima chobuna su chobu thodang am lori aduga pony ki punsi maren aduga as a film maker moina dr ngasai gi minana kamai tawdana ngasai gi environmental kano moina connect to bunoi do mathang round do lakti laksage to budu yam interesting area ne ngasi achobi in lab haiba film se masi su ngasi screen to gibani samhaya karai donoma environmental conservation ga masigi film ga sisu khangdi khangdaba yengba kan yengba haibam di changane ngali sam sam nar kanda kamai connection to no do matang do mathang round do laksake but no, just frankly asking you like you have been very popular here in Manipur as a TV reporter while you were associated with NDTV.
Thank you.
But still, I just wanted to ask some questions to you that still you are associating with Nagaland today.
Yes.
How you become this conservationist? You had, I think, might be you had some physical experience, physical connection through to this environmental. How you become?
Okay.
Conservationists.
Thank you for the question. You're going to have a long answer, but okay, I'll try and make it brief. Yes, after my sojourn with broadcast journalism, I had the opportunity to visit many areas of the Northeast, including Manipur a lot, and Assam, obviously, because I was based there. But throughout my travels, I found that the issue of environment was very often overlooked. And it really, all of our common problems in the Northeast arise from the issue of how we are utilizing or exploiting our resources. And soon after I left broadcast journalism, I had the opportunity to go back to my home state to work on, especially wildlife conservation, because there is this infamous reputation of Nagas that they eat everything that sleeps, that walks, that crawls, that flies, and it's a very unfortunate image. And so I had the opportunity to be a catalyst in this conservation of a phenomenon which was taking place in our backyard, which we didn't know at all. It was the migration of the Amur falcon.
Yes.
And the Amur falcon unwittingly became a kind of a mascot for conservation in Nagaland. And it was so wonderful to hear and see, as the news of the conservation of the falcons in Nagaland, we began to hear of the birds in other areas, seen in other areas, especially even in Manipur, in
Manipur's Tamenggong district,
and also in Assam's Kachar, North Kachar Hills. So, this kind of like spread, and it became something. Actually, it's still a great subject, a great phenomenon that is taking place in this part of the world, where we can still be very united as the birds arrive. In fact, this is the season that the birds arrive now. And I think there's a great connection that can be built on environmental work together in this region. So that's how I switched.
I switched into. Yeah, thank you. It's a Subra. Maduina Nupi gi role say Manipur gi Yengbakanda Inkanbada. I think we can categorize in two parts. Women's in rural areas, women's in urban areas. Yes, when we talk about the rural areas and women's role, men is a kitang tapadadi hoi low ubuda as a farmer. Barod sing sokpada as a water collector, and even sometimes sing the mandati nasagi firewood collector bugi chatpa khotpa game to lay doing it. Otherwise, doing a saying hijabado. Khangna, Natraga Khangdana. Environment adokimatic deeply connected ni, deeply connection ni. Ado Makui sing say Maro environmental conservation, the Wataki Hyperpota, Tangi Tangariniko. Tangi Tangalam, Moising say environment when we talk about the conservation of environmental makhoi sing se kamai na pusalakadagi sini haidi so that they can become say a part of policy maker and even they can share some of their experience nasai gi day to day life ta thengnaba mayam sing do share tongnaba pusanba yagadra in case authority willing Kamay combining is
willingness ko leiragadi yada ba haiba kisu leite soidana yagadi asum yengbiyu ngasi manipur da khoi ising wari ba natraga landslide tawriba natraga na khogi kano ki temperature suddenly hengal iba or natraga shifting of the khogi kan hatare weather kasi la iba mayam se loina mo ki ngoragadi u kakpa de ganam bhata oire aduna u kakpa se nupi amtana singjang parang u kakpa amta oiramoy अदर सू कक्पा है ना कई साइडर कोई कहनो है तारे पैसा ओए ना लॉग कोई के उ खाइन बगी तम तना कप ओए रमे उ बचा दी उ मजा कप दो ना एकदम हवल अपने हम थूने तो रिप्लेस तो ओए अपने ओ चौबा सिंह कक्की बसे ने सेकंड थोक को प्रॉब्लम में हमसे फंगना कोई ना मु इनरिपेयरेबल है गदरा मु रिपेयर तो बंगा मु तो मोंग द सोई कर बने अदुना हुजिक से कोई हाई से उ अमुक थाबा हौसे कोई हौदी हौरे अदो उ थाबा खक्तना सुमु याद्रेबा conserve तौबा preserve तौबा है बम चंगे अद conserve तौबा preserve तौबा है अदुगी value तुना खंगजेगे ते कोई मुक तौरोय दोने अदु देना इन हजक याम कन्ना अचौबा movement अमदक लाहलिसे करी हना लाहंगे द हई पानबा उ थाबी अदुगा नावा अखोइना काना देना खलंबा उ सिन अमते आथा पिरनो से हई बु पालादी उ दो preserve तौबियो हाय ने कइनो द मतम अमदा कोई हैना जोंगसी कोई तरपोन मतम द खर सिजना बता का हैना तो कना सिनदे अदुना यामना मादी याम चौबो उ ओइरगा हेता पालगा पुलप केला कांदा पत्तना पुमदना लेरगा तुमि म्याम इनबा ओइ तौदना म्यामना काना दे हेदना चप चप यान थकना रमे वेरस हैना जोंगी पाबी अचौबदुना दी अदवागी एनवायरनमेंट याम चौबा कनम पीदोइने अदु कने कक्थत पा हाबदुना अचौबा अमांगवा प्या परे अदमाइ तोना जाम पाबी अचौबा याम कक्थत करे होजे छोरंग मपांदा होरंबा कोइना आंगा ओइरगा उरंबा उहई वहई पाबी म्या कोइ अमत उद्रबन जंगल दगी सु अखोगी चिंगी चिनाव सिंग ना आइगी आइगी सप्लाई तवै से चिंग दे हाते सनापति दगी उफुल दगी जा केनो चमेंगलोंग दगी चांडिल दगी अपंग हाते ने हई म्याम से अइना हाइबने मोइदा नुइना आइगी हई पोरक मतम उ या थल पोरक रुको उ द कन उ द पाली बा हई द नुसिने एक पिरो अदुगा पुबिरो नुइना एक पोरक अमाउंट आई लौगे हाइबनेबा अदुना नुइना एक पोरक अमाउंट आई लौगे हाइ से उ दो कनबिरमो हाइबनेबा मथंग जैजो मु लौदोइनेबा हनंग तो हैंदक जै लौरगा लोइदेबा हसिना सिकी क्लोज रिलेशन हम लाई से ngasai conserve तो बाहेबा पोसे लाकदोइनेबा अदुना उदुना कल्लगदि इसिंगी प्रॉब्लम सम लेरोइ दोइनी अदगी मोखना सागलइबा पोसुम हंदरकदोइनी ये soil की fertility कोइ conserve तो बंगमकदोइनी अदुना अदगी मु यंगबियो नुपी सिंगना लौबा मतमदा नतगा मखोइना हिंगोन कोइबा मतमदा कैदोंगैदा सुमाना चाना पोतो हु सुथाक थाओइ हु हापगा मा इंहांग कोइ हिंगोन कोइरोए माना कोई बदे इमुंगी जाना बने खल्ला कांदे इमुंगदगी थोलक पसंती नत्रगा उत हापगा मा हिंगोन कोई गने बा मचा दुइनिना अदुना ngасai commercialization लापसने होजे लाइबा प्रॉब्लम में आंस commercialization है प्रोसेस ने sustainability preservation की कनो से प्रोसेस ददी commercialization है पोतु याव दे बा अदुना indigenous process अमख अखोइना conservation and preservation से सी तौरगा दम लई दोइने सी मेंटेन तौरगा लईबा पोने अदुना sustainable अन मोय रकनी अदु होजि commercialization है लापदगी ने लाइबा प्रॉब्लम है अदुना commercialization process से कक्थर कांदा sustainability रम संजल लगा conserve and preserve तोक्से से नहीं हाइदर गदे से
अतुआरे कदी अदुगी एरिया दुदा मरोइना नुपी सिंगना पीबी याबा नॉलेज अदुगा मोइना फंगबा एक्सपीरियंस मयाम अमसु शेयर तौबो ngमगनी अदुगा यस पुनिंग थगोट पिरकांदा ngasai मरो इचेन थंबिरु दो मरोइना ममा अमतन कैसु मसा सिंगदा फतबो बुट पिजनिंगदे सम सम हारकांदा मरो हिंगोल थाबा इसे ऑर्गेनिक ने हार नुंग अतोपा आर्टिफिशियल करिकरा अमता हापत्रबरी अतोपा केमिकल अमता अदुमाइन तौदना मखोगी वाखल लोंदो पुनमक त पाक सन यंग कांदा अदुम ताबा पोनी मखोइबु पॉलिसी सेमबदा यहन बियो मखोइना फंगकपा मखोइना थेंगनरुबा आइडिया मयाम सिंगदो शेयर तोहन बियो हाइबगी एरिया अम द क्रिएट तोगम संगी we need to create a space so that they can also involve in
you know something about truth. The truth, when whatever language it is spoken, it speaks to you. And if I could just understand a little bit of what you were saying, or I think what you were trying to say, or you touched upon, was economics and how the male, the male folk look at economics and how women look at economics.
Exactly.
From the earth, So I think that is where we are walking on a very critical balance. How males approach the resources of the earth and the extraction of it, and how women will look at the same resource but how they will use it, that is making a world of a difference.
Exactly, exactly. So, Dr. Mina, I know who's hanging say, Adum, I ain't going to hang doing Nico. Dr. Mina, filmmaker, ni, a chow win lapsu pusu puto pire, Morona, as a filmmaker, how you connect yourself to the environmental highway questions, and some like to say, men when Handaki, a chow win lapsu, so, Kanadiadum ulam dubdi male. I'm
Yes. Actually, filmmaker, I would say, if you know, if I was not a nature lover, I don't think I would be a filmmaker. Artists couldn't work like the mother nature nungsi bateki, you know, they have this the kind of creativity, you know, it's all been inspired from mother nature. So in nature's environments in nungsi ramjagadi, I would have not been a filmmaker and be talking here right now. So Achobi in love sida I know say not only about the concern of decline of pony, but also akhoi hujing matam sida, you know, the invasion of, you know, akhoi concrete buildings, maybe, you know, the talk of the smart cities leidana akhoi leiba wetlands sing sida akhoi development high se kamaina define tawni haibadi ikhan khana dabida development high building sajal aga ko haibadi pura supermarket on tho ga na khatang khoi development se laktoira. We are just losing all the wetlands for the ponies to moigi chapam tapam grace tawutaba mafam sida toina ma khoina building of buildings hajalagadi moigi mafam chapam lei tre duna they start loitering around, you know, in the streets, on the roads, and they start eating garbage, and I know that's why I feel that Sigi film Achobi in love sida I had little pondered upon, you know, these issues through reflecting on Sigi environment gi Sigi akhoi human sinakam greed oike haiba matamda we human being, like, you know, we being the supreme homo sapiens, we always try to invade, you know, on others territory also. We have never asked, you know, the other species of this planet, like do you need a habitat to live, or like decide we are the supreme, so we decide everything that, you know, the horse doesn't have a mouth to speak. So that's how, you know, it's also, you know, we have to ponder upon, like, we humans are being, you know, too greedy, and we have been invading, you know, like quite for a long time since, you know, civilizations taking place. I don't know, we have to think, like, as my other colleague speakers have spoken about, you know, there is no planet B on this. You know, we have just planet A, that is Earth, and we don't have planet B like Tavanina. We have to carefully take care of this Mother Earth and, you know, Mother Planet if we really want to exist.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Banu, you have rightly said that this Dr. Mina Longzam just make this film not for commercially. She do have a much connection and much deeper connection with the Mother Nature. That is the only reason she became a filmmaker. You have rightly mentioned. Women are always looking into the Mother Nature, not to harm the Mother Nature.
Let's not leave
not
the
in
men
terms
out.
of commercialization. So, Banu Rolo, excuse me. So, let me once again come to you after the break. Break matung the Impact News ki manhuri yang video puno mo ke phamda thuna putun laksa ke Impact News miyang taduna lebyo. Break matung yang video puno magpo am ko taram nok sari. Banu, we have already talked about this women's role, important roles in conserving of this environmental. But the question is this involving, how difficult is involving women in protecting this environmental, in protection of environmental. Is it difficult, or is it easy to involve the women in this environmental protection?
I think the experience is the same across, you know, the country or across the world. Women are often left out of any decision making.
Oh.
So especially for the Northeast, and especially I can speak about my experience from Nagaland. Although you may see that women are at the forefront in Nagaland of, you know, whether it be administrative work, or it be writing, or it be entrepreneurship, but in the village, where actually, you know, a lot of opinions are formed, women do not have the say in the councils. And now the village is the first bastion where, you know, we take care of our resources. there are few villages which have shown the way where men have taken the lead to decide that there will be a ban on hunting, there will be certain community conservation areas that will be declared, and a few villages have come up in that way, and the concept of the community conservation area is coming up. But even in the community conservation areas, the role of women's participation to participate in this whole conservation is still very sidelined. And I feel that it's important for both genders to work together. And you know, the thing is, we talk about women, and women being the knowledge keepers, women being the traditional keepers, women being the cultural repositories of, you know, of every society, of a family, so on. But the combination of the male and the female is really important, because the male, he is the innovator, and the woman is the creativity aspect comes in. I think, if I'm not wrong, if we look at the loom, whether
Yes.
it's the backstrap loom or the, you know, the shuttle loom that you use here, I'm sure the machines were created by men. And the creativeness, the creativity of the morang fees or the fanek, what you use, is all done by the women, you know. So I feel that, you know, both are important, and it's time that we open our minds to this, you know, combination. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Ise Subra, ngasai gender equality ki wafam dune.
Mane.
Karim kanda ngasai men and women to have the ngasai equality right ki kari chap mana bai matang de dumari disaba. Samha karai de roma nupa na nupi sing sigi ngasai importance to khangda banara. Importance khangda banara natragana nupi sing na taseng aikoi da si bhong kai di aikoi gi role lawam thoi si bhong kai di aikoi si khangi ai bagi area do law da badaira kitang sideline to udong no uriba phauri base
masi akoi gi kai haitare system sinani haitare patriarchal system mo koina follow tawraga lakpase nupa na imungi akoi gi mapuni habagi mapu gi pot amakak lakpase da land oigera decision making da oigera any action ama taroku matamda magi athang yaw jagadi haba pot amakak lakpase da mamang thum thangdoki banya maning da sumlai hobagi habit ama lai hre nupi sing se aduna ni maduda ne moina participation tawba ngamakte se otherwise decision making da bakoina participation hek tawjugedi active participation just not koi maming khaktagi koi bhabu oiba natabako active participation hek tawjugedi mahaki voice to mayam mamangda tholak jagedi mana kari pami no da koi khangba ngamoeba aduna tasena in action nupi gi participation hai matam sida preservation conservation kanana tawna hai nupi na tawbane thabok oina tawisi di makoi ne ba aduga kaino khoi gi decision making sena kanana tawbuno hara ka nupa na tawbane adumang na hara nupa du koina lale habi sunate na ka nupi na tawi du ngakna chume habi gi wati nate adu in na koi ka chanabi amo oina hai tare ko chanabi amo hina kana ki resource mayam gi mapu se mana oiraga leibane na ai gi lamda kari thagane ai gi lamsi yanthat kani ta kakthat kani hai basi kana decision loge te nupa na lowe adagi jungle mai tha matam da nupi am tana changam jungle mai tha da moigi kan hai tare koina kan zoom cultivation taw matam sida he kan mai tha bana traga na sha tan bagi damak ta mai tha matam sida kana na thagem gi sigumba yamna kogi destructive oiba nature amakha sigi potsi nupi da khara yaude have nate exactly yam ko nai tare yamne
khara de yaw adu khang mang tang no mong de yaw de nati
hoi na yaude aduga sigi potsi moina ga em ki na chacha hai tare ko nupi sing ti sik tawba ya de have gi ishor bu ki ba hai ga dara mi bu ki ba hai ga dara samaj bu ki ba hai ga dara mo te am ki ba ma ka lei bani na ma adu ma tabak ti storo heba aduga ki da na tawba ma kha ai kana khoi gi thausa da ba hai ga dara na traga na mawa log de have gi pot ma ka tawba se nupa na anam boin taw boin na tawi aduna khoi blame de na te by nature hai tare ko khoi gi society ki chatna bi se na khoi social structure se na ma authority ma ka pi ba do madu magna mo nda ngasagi extra mo the power ang khang badong na to baduna ne aduna ngasagi equality have a question se lang matam se di in eyes of nature we are all equal adugi put to the chap manaba mahaki magi kano hai tare angang hek puk padagi horaga ma pu yokhat pa chawkhat pa larik tambi ba agi even resource sharing bhog dama equal tawra magadi masing lairiba destruction se khara dosu kan mangam ga do buni ha pot ni lai se aduna matam changi ni suddenly change ama kak tawbade ti yaro nga e khoi gi babana ai gi imung gi head oiram bodo heng dagi ima oilo heta hai be apu de no bada ahinga amado hongbadi yaro but realization ama kak at least child rearing taki hauraga mahaki aina engonda kwai taki feel fau kana tawjabase anamba nupi na participation actively tawba ngando se kari manam no yeng kanda mahaki education ki kanu se the opportunity of education given to her sigi post da nupi da opportunity se secondary education ka no ina pi heba namba yam moi de am importance pi raga koi gi madi mi oi da ba ya de na ta adumat oi da ba ya de adumat tam da ba ya de madu gi standard bo yogadau ne ha be gi am the focus education se kya like de nupi da matam lin ba matam khara gi damak ta like tam gado bani ha raga tam han ba ko khara tam madi ya re to hon ba gum ba se aduga imung da koi gi paisa gi financial situation na hek lurak pa kan se da nupa ma ga nupi ma ga le matam du da ibung osina di imung heng lep ka do ina nagi no pa ta kanang dada sa hana like tamala sibe manang disa gi school ta moi ba pote anamba imung da chatna bi ama oi aduna nupi macha se imung amada nupa macha ama ka nupi macha mari pung matam da nupi macha se du education kitang kano ena kitang namdara ka thambi bo ena da nupa macha du education de angam ba thak ta mayam chang illaga nupi sing da phi sa bo oi da su da ge kano hingon koi bo su angam mai angam ba ta laga mai mabung ta mo pa du mi oi na ba semok pa da mating pang e ba sigi nature se by nature moi da lai ban conservation and preservation ki potune lai se sei da amuka ma jala ka de se aduna sigi pose lai ban na sem ba ba pose da ma chamana na nupi du su sem magadi ngasi magi am active role ma khak leiram gadu puni aduga environment conservation am chawba role lorum gadu bodo ngasi lobung am de se na maram boi gadra ai personal feeling
in particular ngasai environmental conservation da chawo role am lorum gadu do in many field kaya da nupi sing se khara tungoi na thambiram bagi adugi sideline to biram bagi results ne isam na result to afabadi natre sideline to biram bagi result to afabadi natre isam na ka da unwanted result ne aduga hena involve to biram ba hena realize or ba hena recognize or magadi khare hena nahana cpm se yorum da su hai bi tum isam na ka da mina men oina hujiki wafam se yabiningbra means ai bidi adum sorona ai as a host hoina adum tabada haibate ngasai guest sing chiting gang pirak posita adum yaning ba area de adum yog jere ngonda madudi ngasai gi nupa na pulling point to bunina sam na rekanda it is high time for the men folk ngasai gi to realize and to know the role of the important role of this women's while this conserving the environmental area se khangbagi mathau du yamna tai phataba matam du oire se yabiningbra sum swai bau ta sum khang dal le ragati environmental film se sum yam de show bani hena soksan bi ya bi film du ne
ado aina ta sum thamjaning mada ba habadi akhoi gi gender inequality gi wafam je kitang sideline to
biraga
kitang sideline to raga habadi there is always a debate about like men and women equality this like all habadi hojik se nupi the weaker section haina haibasu yara roina aina su haire ko like
okay
nupi the weaker section na smaina mingthon basu yara roina hojik ti aina su takhre ado aina khanbada nupa nupi gi khaimana ba manadaba se thamgraga hojikti akhoi gi laiba akhoi gi makha gi angang sing se leidana school kari ba school goi angang sing atopa lam leidana atopa europe ki oiro ama oiro atopa developed nation sing da hojik tawri sing se whether it's Malala, whether it's Greta Thunberg, like climate activity, the moina challenge tawra nganga iba kholi ba myam se I think this is like their time ko leidana hojikti even genders about nupa nupi yeng bagi mahutta there's more genders like genders is spectrum oina color oina yengak pa yabra na khale like just nupa nupi khatang na taba there's more colors to it you know like there's transgender community there is other LGBTQ community me am like reba ko habedi gender is not just about women and men khatang lai treba hojikte me am like reba so like if we effortly you know put our ideas and you know akhoi na tawningi ba akhoi whether it's the akhoi climate akhoi climate change ki matang na ngangning bo ama oiro leithana I think sigi map je kitang sideline tawraga issue da oina changjala aga ko I think we shall rather focus on that other focus tawraga je angang singi future they are asking about they're demanding their rights to their future akhoi na loina moigi mamang na laiba generation myam jina civilization myam matang lak pa sina loi mangal lame mang ta halame aduna moigi they don't have any future leidana moigi di future am da thambiram dre haibagi moina wakat laga hochigi Greta Thunberg haib angang sina school ka dage every Friday ko dingi mai school mamang sina phammaga ma protest tawri ne ba school kara kai kana doino na noina akhoi gi future si de keimta phajana thambiram dre ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯊꯁꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯛꯍꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯨ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯂꯩꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯦꯔꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯩꯔꯤꯕ we are the culprit that we have not done enough for the environment na chayriba. So like it's also the time for the children, you know, who has come up and who has been speaking about environmental issues ki matang na ngangeba kholeba mayam se ko si su yamna maru oina khanjai ko ado ai gi wakhanda nupi se sum khoina leidana empowerment na haiba se so it's more like nupi se shole haiba gi empowerment je sum toina sijana bra na khalle. I think we should stop using the word empowerment anymore and we should bring in more leidana hena manaba yamna spectrum yamna kano ba dynamic spectrum da hadi yam colors oina mayam se leidana khoi human being nga tanin adom da oina yengak pa su aduna phagadra na khalle instead of differentiating
yamti phajaba ojiki minan thambiru yamti phajaba ador su somewhere adumdi tangai phadana thengnariba circumstances thengnariba mayam duna adum ngasai gi bound to feel lena ama khak leibu sam na kan da mina was film maker ni mina wari ne khamda manipur film maker si nupi no film maker si thoina kesu yamde but still then hujik film gi hujiki society sing sida maru na film maker moina nupi bu karai bu phida piba haibi wafam su lakti laktoi ne ba haibu di haibi ba nasa gender inequality se kitang silent tham che di dum haiba ada thammaga de khwai base ni ko thambang ngamgra de khwai base ne ba if they are ngasai gi mentally and physically ready already yam di base hoiba ain khambada thamba ngamba thamba taseng na thamba ngamba gi area se kitang wat pra sine ujari na
aigi wakhanda kitang positive oina mu yenga se
okay
sum negative oina sum isale sungjallaga akhoi nupi je sole haibe wakhanda sum leiba se si am kuira brand khaleba adu kitang thado oga akhoi se loi manabani na aina to aina dum yengibana phabra na mu khanba wakhanje adi leidana akhoi je sum solabini tolabini urini yelabini something like that adumaina leidana ko
okay
adumaina sum haibagi mawang da ko adi mahutta
akhoi su yelagum se nupi mo ni yesara roige nupa mo na su mo di yet kan mine ju kan bi no equal role lo mine se we are ready have new binana hybrid some raga thank you but when we talk about the gender equality is it possible to forget and forgive ngasai gi no in gender inequality is it possible to forget for you when we talk about this gender equality is it possible to forget for you gender inequality
gender inequality well I don't know how I can answer this question because where I come from, you know, my perception of as a woman and I've been often asked this question also. As a woman, did I face any inequality in my work, at my workplace? Was I viewed differently? I have never considered myself more than a man or less than a woman. In my profession, I've never looked at as a man, woman kind of, you know, it's a job, it's a work that needs to be done. So I think this is something that we need to cultivate. So there is no, if we give too much importance on the girl child, then you're going to be neglecting the boy child. So and also if we give too much importance all the while, like, you know, even women are at fault for nurturing their boys more than their girls in families, and this has been continuing. But to answer your question, I feel it's really, really important today that all children in schools and even to bridge this urban-rural divide, that the urban children must have respect for children who are studying in rural schools. And urban children can only do that if we can bring a bit of if they are connected with rural areas. And we can only be connected with each other through stories, through experiences, exposures, and participating in each other's lives, activities. So we have some experiments are going on now, even in Nagaland, like where we have the Morong. The Morong is a dormitory where young boys were taught all the art of warfare. They were taught the history. They were taught handicrafts. This was something which was like a dormitory where they were trained as young boys. now this concept of the dormitory is being, this morong is being modernized in the sense that it's getting revived in villages where, and also in semi-urban towns where young boys and girls, earlier we used to have like morongs for boys and morongs for girls, where now there are moments like where they can all come together, and seniors who are elders would, you know, deliberate and tell the children the history, the culture, and they would learn their handicraft. They are learning their handicrafts and all that. And also people who come from the village, or people who come from a professor who is visiting from Oxford will come and narrate the history, what they've learned. So there's an exchange and exchange of knowledge. So I think, you know, one of the problems of this divide, of cultural divide, and which again leads to this disconnect with the land and the soil and everything that goes with it, is because we've not learned how to bring some aspects of our culture, of our tradition, of our lineage into our everyday life, and it is completely cut off in our, if you look at the education system today, it just does not exist. You know, you do not look at rural India, you do not look at rural Northeast, you do not look at rural Manipur, you do not look at rural Nagaland, and I think this is really a big mistake, yes.
It's a very,
Tragic.
one of the biggest mistakes.
Yes.
Yeah, इसे सुब्रा हुजिक से मरो न मिनट तरा दगी है न फाजल लगते मैं आई नो जी हंगजनिंग से सिमिलर हुजिक की मैं न हंगसी की 2 day seminar में दिले रहे मरो न women's ngасai की participation in ngасai की environmental conservation दुनी नुमिनी की कनो से याम तांग ना अतः अतोपति ngасai seminar दी याम तो को नुमिनी की seminar पांग तो पूछे से मशीना is it enough नत्रगना similar kind of seminar need to hold frequently and different places ki basi idea kamai thambinge se
seminar ma tawrogati magi follow up the action plan me am yawga
action plan me am lorn
seminar to tawraga ngasi loiraga thupchalaga thamgiba nataba ko action plan to kon adugi follow up mayam tawga do aduna ada participation tawriba mayam participate tawriba mayam aduna responsibility kha loi launa ga dawna have that this responsibility I'll take this responsibility she will take this responsibility she will take and kugi division of labor hai tare ko akugi thabak mayam khaidok naraga ina tawba ngamba ai loi pasin ngam ponte ai loi tawba ngam ponte heba to admat ai ki area da aina ngamba area da tawraga mayam tawba du so koi networking ama create tawraga na koi mating amaga mating pangnaraga di change ama soidana porapon ngam happy positive thought madum leise na sigi seminar sigi yam good outcome ama tholakani habagi thajabadani koina involve tawjari
okay Dr. Mina seminar singa si lobidin tringa si hokdokpani heng chu legini aduga aina hangjaning ki similar kind of seminar se different places ta pangthokpoi mathau tani habi wakhalon dune ise subran thambiri na yes seminar sigi batung tarakpod action plan ama tungin bam thoi haibani kai wakhan phobige
Oh, definitely, yam chumba wafam ne hadi che soprana haibidi se definitely seminars in it's more like dialogue and discussions ko workshop haijina he no practical over keno ne adubu sigumba seminar especially when it comes to environment conservation so definitely there should be follow up action plan like adabani aduga adumi che soprana haibidi man division of labor khoi am khaidok naraga khara mana leidana u thal shu adagi u kamaina kanni harasu leidana village sing da chatlaga Jum cultivation ki Canada ba mangba magi alternative kari atopa leidana business oiro atopa kari moigi income se kari na generate to baya ina takpiba aduguma mayam ama the follow up action oina leidana I think we should do yeah
thank you
yeah
Bano just I want to just hold up this end up this today's Manuhunda but as you are coming from Nagaland you are very special guest for us also so last remarks on this women's role in environmental conservation please
My last thoughts on
Yeah.
this? I think women must continue to play the role that they are playing, and particularly I think the conservation begins at home. It begins with every little activity that you do, and especially when you're around children. I think it is very, very important to include children in your household activities. And I also feel that in the Northeast, because we are so blessed with such a rich environment, And our soil is so rich. We have the mountains. And today the world is discovering, new science has discovered that the mountains carry 85% of the species of the world. And they constitute only 25% of the land mass of the earth. So when we look at us in the Northeast, we are in such an elevated position. So I feel as, I can appeal to everyone that not just as women, but as people in the home, we must begin to teach our children to have an affinity, an association, a connection with the soil. And I think it's really important that at this young age, we teach children how to grow their own food and how to conserve water, because these two are going to be the most pressured commodities in the years to come. And there's nothing like, learning how to conserve water, and there is no greater knowledge and joy than knowing when to plant and what to plant in the right season. So I think these things are very important, and for children to feel the earth, to enjoy the soil, to smell it, to touch it, and to work with it. This is something that I think it calls upon not just women, but everybody, can work together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not happening sooner, but I'm planning, to build an eco house. Like I wanted to build my own house.
Yes.
Like I think housing is a big,
very
a big, business.
part, yeah.
Everybody, dream, aspire to have, and mostly it's mostly concrete and to do with bricks and concrete. But I'm planning to build an eco house, which will have rainwater harvesting, which will have biogas, and which will be run by solar. So it's a dream for me. Maybe it will take 2-3 years for it to complete, but it's in a very ideation stage
Ko
right
house
now.
maru yam phajaba idea ne maru
Yeah.
de to budi ngamagadi in case.
But we also really need to look at policies that are governing our region in the Northeast, Let's take, for example, bamboo, which has been touted as one of the most commonly available resource, and there have been so many seminars and workshops and blah, 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 tours and, trade and blah, blah, blah. Still, today, can we say that is there any region in the Northeast, any state in the Northeast, which has a scientific bamboo grove? I'm not aware of it. Do we have any area? Why? Why can't we do these things for ourselves?
Yeah, it's a very big question still remain unanswered, and it's a very high time for authority also to look into and to bring the women's this in the women's into the policy making, and to bring them to involve them while protecting and while conserving the environmental. So Banu Haralu and Mrs. Subra and Dr. Mina, once again thank you. And ngasi ko nati Impact News ki Impact TV ki manunguna matang si lotion na batanjar ole adubo ngasi lamdam sa tholiba thodo wato kaya gi marik sumber report ki tamak Impact News miyang tado na libyo.